Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this quick twisted side bun. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face. Now we're just going to divide the hair in half and we're just going to secure that right hand side into a low ponytail. Pinch and pull at the crown area to create a bit of texture. Next, take the hair on the left hand side and split it in half, and we're just going to twist those sections around one another to create a loose twist. And we're just going to bring this over the top of that first ponytail and secure it off with a clear elastic band. Next, we're going to take some bobby pins and just secure the twist over the top of the ponytail and down the right hand side of the head. Bring the ends underneath the ponytail and tuck them into the hair where there's a little gap, and then secure with a couple more bobby pins. And we're just going to create one more twist with that ponytail, so split it in half and wrap the sections around one another. Now I'm going to take my topsy tail tool. I'll pop what I'm using in the description below for you, and we're just going to pass the ends of that twist into the topsy tail tool and pull it up and out of the top, making sure we don't pull the whole twist all the way through. And just secure the bottom of that little bun shape we've just made with a couple more bobby pins. Now take hold of the top of that twist and bring it over to the right hand side and secure it to the head. Apply some texture spray. Again, I'll pop the one I'm using in the description. And we're just going to pinch and pull at the crown to match the opposite side. And then all we're going to do is spend a few minutes just pinching and pulling at every single loop and twist of that little bun. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.